Okay, this is an emergency. I have to save my 17-year-old pickle jar. Yes, it's older than you. Also have a ring camera here. Watch the pickle jar. Pickle jar in Orlando, I'm watching through the ring camera. If there's a problem, I call my neighbor, rescue the jar. Sealed with oil, then plastic wrap, then you'll be safe. This is 2 months. When you open it, you have to be really careful. Don't get a drop of oil in here. Still smell good. Use a paper towel carefully, get all the oil out of here. Now we take the old pickles out, then add some new vegetables. Get the fermentation going again. Add some vodka. This is for her, not for you. She almost 18 years old. So we're gonna celebrate birthday. How are we gonna celebrate? Comment below, tell me. So add more salt, some more chili peppers, and shrimp peppercorn. Also you need to add garlic. Good for the flavor, kills the bad bacteria. Seal the jar with water. I take care of her like a baby. When water is dry, your pickle jar will die. Hello, hello. This one is for you. 2 months old pickle. So crunchy. So sour. I need some rice. Want a bite? 2 months old pickle. So sour. Hey, Leaf, what's your face?